I'm here to discuss MIG welding. Today we'll be talking about the different gases that are used in MIG welding. The purpose of the gas is to provide a shielding cloud around the molten puddle of metal. This shielding gas effect excludes oxygen and nitrogen from the